Hello, my name is Pranav. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create the customer masters in related to SD. You need to create at least one customer group and you need to configure partner determination. Then only you can able to create a customer master. So let us see how to create a customer group first. OBD2, click on new entries 2022. You can give any name, you can give customer group 2022. Then click on company code data, then click on account management, then reconciliation account is a required entry, then sort key is a required entry, then click on next, payment terms of payment is a required entry, then click on save. So first step is over. Next you need to create the number ranges for customer. The T code is XDN1. You can use the existing one or you can create a new one. So I'm going to select, or I'm going to use 50 which is already there. Okay, so I'm going to skip this step. Next is assign number ranges to the customer group. OBAR, then click on position, select our account group, then you can assign number range 50. This is also done. Next, this is very important, define partner functions. So what do you mean by partner functions? For one customer you have sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and the payer. What do you mean by this? Generally, ship to party, sold to party, bill to party, payer will be the same. But in a bigger corporations or bigger organizations, they have sold to party will be a different, ship to party will be a different, bill to party will be a different, and payer will be the different. Say, take an example of an L&T. Sold to party will be the Bangalore L&T, ship to party will be the Mumbai L&T, and bill to party will be the Delhi L&T, and payer will be from Calcutta. So like that, they can have a different customers. So this is what we call partner determination. This is what we are going to do the configuration now. Now please come to slash and SPRO reference IMG and come to sales and distributions and basic functions. Then you have to find out partner determination, set up partner determination. Then set up partner determination for customer master. Now, first and the foremost, what you need to do is whether you have to check whether SP, SH, BP, and PY are there. So, go to partner functions, click on position, just check SP. Yeah, SP is there. This is a unique key. It matches. Next is SH. Make sure that is existed. Click on position, SH, SH also there. Then BP, BP also there. Then PY is pair, pair is also there. So we have all the partner functions are there. Next step is define partner determination procedure. So you can enlarge this partner determination procedure. Okay, click on new address. So 2022 can give 2022 partner function. Click on save, press enter. So 2022 we have saved. Now select 2022 partner functions in procedure. Select 2022 partner functions in procedure. Click on new entries. Okay, here you have to select SP, come down. SP is, you have to enable not modifiable. Just enlarge this. This is a mandatory, not modifiable, mandatory. Next is SHBPPY. Next is SHBP and PY. Okay. Now click on save. So data was saved. Next, partner determination procedure assignment. Partner determination procedure assignment. Then click on position 2022. Then you have to assign 2022. Then click on save. Then account groups function assignment. Account groups function assignment. Then on new entries. So SP account group is 2022. Then SH 2022. Then EP 2022. Then PY 2022. Now on save. So this is how you can create the partner determination procedure. Now let us create the customer master XD01. Now select the account group. So account group is 2022. Just a minute. Customer group you have to select 2022, then company code 2020, sales organization 2022, then distribution channel is 29, then division, so division also 29. So now select company and give XYZ company. How you want to search, street number, all those things you have to give. Entry IN, press enter. Now click on company code data, then reconciliation group, press F4. This sundry debtors, then sort key, press F4. This is based on the customer number. Yes, 031 the customer number. Okay, now sales area. So all those things you can fill up. Okay, next is shipping. What is the delivery priority? So we can say high. Shipping condition, then delivery plant also 2022. Now billing payment. Now invoice state Incoterms. So you can give cash on delivery. Cash on delivery. Now terms of payment. So you can select any terms of payment. Then credit control area I'm going to take separately. This is another topic. Okay. Now account assignment group, press F4. So this will be the domestic revenue. This will be taking in detail when we do the integration between SD and FI. Next is partner function, SP, SH, internal, then PB, internal, then PY. So click on save. This is terms of payment is mandatory 001, press enter. See, this customer has been created. Okay. Now we will see how to modify XD02. Okay, press enter. You can see the sales area data, whatever we have entered, it's appearing. And shipping also sales. You can click on company code data. Everything has been entered. This is how you can create the customer group and partner determination and customer master. Thank you for viewing and listening to my demo.